Hello Junior 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video we will answer exercises on lesson 1 and concept 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start with question number 1, which is choose the correct answer. Number 1. To know if a cup of water is hot or cold, we need to use the sense of sight, hearing, smell, touch. The answer is touch, so we will choose letter D. Number 2. We can distinguish between water and milk through taste and hearing, sight and hearing, smell and hearing, taste and sight. We can differentiate between water and milk through taste and sight, so we will choose letter D. Number 3. The sharp senses of dolphin help it do all of the following except surviving, finding food, finding water, protecting itself underwater. The sharp sense of dolphin help it do all of the following except finding water, so we will choose letter C. Number 4. If there is some salt in a dish and some sugar in another dish, you can distinguish between them through the sense of. We need to differentiate between salt and sugar through smell, taste, touch, hearing. The answer is taste, so we will choose letter B. Number 5. The 5 senses of humans and animals are sight, hearing, touch, smell, and movement. Sight, movement, taste, touch, and smell. Taste, touch, movement, hearing, and smell. Sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. The 5 senses are sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. So we will choose letter D. Number 6. Echo helps bat and dolphin to locate blank of their prey. Echo helps bat and dolphins to locate what? The location, the color, the smell, the taste. The location, so we will choose letter A. Number 7. Dolphins depend on their sharp sense of blank to get food. Dolphins depend on which sense? Sight, taste, smell, hearing. Dolphins depend on hearing, so we will choose letter D. Now we will answer question number 2, which is put true or false. Number 1. Human can identify music through ears, which are the organs of sight. Ears are the organs of sight? Wrong. Number 2. The Egyptian mangoes can communicate with its species by making sounds. True. Number 3. The sense of hearing of dolphins is stronger than that of human. True. Number 4. We use our sense of smell to identify the color of flower. False. Number 5. Skin helps humans distinguish between the taste of different types of food through the sense of touch. False. Number 6. Chameleon uses its tongue to taste food. Yes, true. Number 7. Foxes have sharp sense of taste to avoid danger. False. Foxes have sharp sense of hearing to avoid danger, not taste. Number 8. Dolphins depend on counter-shading property to find its food. False. Dolphins depend on echolocation property to find its food, not counter-shading. Now we will answer question number 3, which is write the scientific term. Number 1. The property that depends on the sense of hearing through which dolphins locate their prey underwater. We wanted the property of dolphins. Echolocation. Number 2. The organ used to recognize different colors. Eye. Number 3. The organ used to recognize different odors. Odors means smell. The organ is nose. Number 4. The sense used to differentiate between smooth and rough surfaces. Touch. Last one, number 5. The return back of sound waves on hitting a solid surface. Echo. Now we will answer question number 4, which is complete the following sentences. Number 1. The dog uses the senses of blank and blank in guarding. The dog uses the senses of smell and hearing. Number 2. A human can pay attention to an alarm bell in case of danger through the sense of. We can hear the alarm through the sense of hearing. Number 3. Dolphins have sharp sense of blank, which they use to locate living organisms underwater through the blank property. We want the sense of dolphins, which is hearing, and the second blank we want the name of property, which is echolocation. Number 4. We can identify the odor of flowers using the blank sense. Smell sense. Number 5. Echo is the bouncing of blank waves when they hit a solid surface. Echo is the bouncing of sound waves. Now we will answer question number 5, which is correct, the underlined words. Number 1. The dolphin has sharp sense of touch. The dolphin has sharp sense of hearing. Number 2. The dog uses its eyes to recognize odor of humans. The dog uses its nose to recognize odors of humans. Number 3. The fox uses its tail and ears to run away when it sees or hears its enemies. The fox uses its eyes. Number 4. Dolphins use camouflage property by using sound waves to hunt its prey. Dolphins use echolocation property. Now we will answer question number 6, which is give reasons for. Number 1. The Egyptian mangoes make sounds to communicate with others mangoes, to move from one place to another, or to search for food. So Egyptian mangoes make sounds to communicate with others. Number 2. Owls can hunt during the night because owls have sharp senses of hearing and sight. Number 3. Dogs are used in guarding because dogs have very sharp senses of hearing and smell. The last one, number 4. Dolphins can hear all kinds of sound because dolphins have super sense of hearing. Now we will answer question number 7, which is what happens to the sound waves produced by a dolphin when they hit an object underwater. What will happen to the sound waves? The sound waves bounce back to the dolphin. The sound waves bounce back to the dolphin as a form of echo. So the sound waves bounce back to the dolphin as a form of echo. Question number 8. Arrange the following steps. The sound waves travel and hit the prey, then bounce back to the dolphin in the form of an echo. The echo helps the dolphin locate its prey. The sound produced by a dolphin is transmitted in the form of waves called sound waves. Number 1. The sound produced by dolphin is transmitted in the form of waves called sound waves. Number 2. The sound waves travel and hit the prey. Number 3. The echo helps the dolphin locate its prey. Now we will answer the last question in this lesson, which is question number 9. Look at the following pictures, then choose the correct answer. We have two pictures, animal 1 and animal 2. Animal 1 is about dog. Animal 2 is about dolphin. Number 1. The sharpest senses that animal 1 has are animal 1, which is dog, touch and smell, smell and hearing, taste and sight, hearing and taste. The sharp senses of dog are smell and hearing. Number 2. Animal number 1 uses one of both of its sharpest senses in each of the following situations except identifying friends, identifying food, recognizing strangers, tasting food. Except tasting food. So we will choose letter D. Number 3. The sharpest senses that animal 2 has is animal 2 is dolphin. So the sharpest senses that animal 2 has is hearing, taste, touch, smell. The sharpest sense in dolphin is hearing. So we will choose letter A. Last question, number 4. Animal 2 uses its super sense in each of the following situations except number 2, which is dolphin, locating objects underwater, avoiding danger, detecting scents of living organisms underwater, locating prey underwater. Except detecting scents of living organisms underwater. So we will choose the letter C. That's all about our lesson today. Thank you and see you soon in another video. Let me know if you have any questions.